Welcome back to another episode of the Prowic Italia blog. It's time to go to Lake Molveno. If you haven't liked the video, please like it now. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do it quickly so that you get the notification of my new video as soon as possible. So you can see this very beautiful and stunning view, which will refresh your heart and mind. So tell me in the comment section who has visited this place before. So stay with me and let's move on. So this is the best view, I think. So let's go ahead and see what the next scene is. So some time ago we were standing on this bridge and capturing the scene. How did it feel for the scene? The lake is very beautiful, and the crowd we have seen is very less here. So this is the famous eagle here. So those who know this is good, but those who don't know, I will tell them. So this lake is at a distance of 41 kilometers from Riva del Garda, which becomes a journey of about an hour if there is no traffic on the road. So, whenever you have time to visit Riva del Garda, you must visit this place. It is a very lovely place. so watch the full video and move on. Lake Molveno is a picturesque alpine lake located in the Trentino region of northern Italy. It lies at an elevation of about 860 meters to 835 feet above sea level and is surrounded by the stunning Dolomite Mountains. The lake is known for its crystal clear waters, which reflect the surrounding peaks, making it a popular destination for tourists seeking natural beauty and outdoor activities. Key features of Lake Molveno include 1. Natural beauty. The lake is often praised for its scenic vistas and pristine environment. The surrounding mountains and forests provide a stunning backdrop for the lake. 2. Outdoor activities. Lake Molveno offers various recreational activities, including swimming, boating, fishing, and hiking. The area around the lake has well-marked trails for hikers of all levels. 3. Wildlife. The lake and its surrounding areas are home to diverse wildlife, making it an excellent spot for nature enthusiasts and bird watchers. 4. Molveno Village. The nearby village of Molveno provides accommodations, restaurants, and other amenities for visitors. The village has a charming atmosphere with traditional alpine architecture. 5. Water quality. Lake Molveno is renowned for its excellent water quality, making it a favorite spot for swimming and other water sports. Lake Molveno is often considered one of the most beautiful lakes in Italy and is a great destination for those looking to enjoy the tranquility and natural splendor of the Italian Alps. The cable car at Lake Molveno is a popular attraction that enhances the visitor experience by providing easy access to higher altitudes and offering spectacular panoramic views of the lake and the surrounding Dolomite Mountains. Here are some key details about the cable car service in the area. 1. Location and route. The cable car operates from the village of Molveno to the Prato Plateau, a high-altitude area that serves as a gateway to various hiking and mountain biking trails. From Prato, another lift can take visitors even higher to locations like Cras dell'Altissimo. 2. Views. The ride on the cable car offers breathtaking views of Lake Molveno, the Brenta Dolomites, and the lush alpine landscapes. It's a great way to appreciate the natural beauty of the region from a different perspective. 3. Activities at the top. Once at the Prato Plateau, visitors can enjoy a range of outdoor activities. There are numerous hiking and biking trails suitable for all levels, as well as adventure parks and climbing routes for more adventurous visitors. The area also has picnic spots and panoramic viewpoints. 4. Family-friendly. The cable car ride is suitable for all ages, making it a family-friendly activity. It provides an easy and accessible way for families with children or elderly members to experience the mountains. 5. Operational season. The cable car typically operates during the summer months and in the winter season for skiing and snowboarding. The exact operating times can vary, so it's advisable to check in advance. 6. Access to refugios. At the top, visitors can find mountain huts refugios where they can enjoy local cuisine, rest, and take in the scenic views. These refugios often serve as starting points for longer hikes or as destinations in themselves. Overall, the cable car at Lake Molveno is a fantastic way to enhance your visit, providing easy access to high-altitude adventures and stunning vistas of one of Italy's most beautiful alpine regions. Paragliding at Lake Molveno is a thrilling activity that offers a unique way to experience the stunning landscapes of the Dolomites and the crystal clear waters of the lake. Here are some details about paragliding in the area. 1. Launch sites. Paragliders often launch from high-altitude points accessible via the cable car to the Prattle Plateau or from other nearby peaks. These launch sites provide the necessary elevation and suitable conditions for a safe and enjoyable flight. 2. Scenic flights. Paragliding over Lake Molveno offers breathtaking views of the lake, the surrounding Brenda Dolomites, and the lush alpine forests. The experience of soaring above this picturesque landscape is unmatched. 3. Tandem flights. For those new to paragliding, tandem flights with experienced pilots are available. This allows beginners to safely enjoy the experience while an expert handles the technical aspects of the flight. 4. Safety and training. Local paragliding schools and instructors provide training and safety briefings to ensure that participants are well prepared. They offer courses for beginners as well as advanced training for more experienced flyers. Overall, paragliding at Lake Molveno is a fantastic way to add an adventurous dimension to your visit, providing a bird's eye view.
Adesso papà invece prova un colpo difficile. Guarda cosa fa papà, Marco. La tua pallina? Là. Puoi andare a segnare sotto Marco alla... Dai, devi segnare 3 Marco. Però se... Lui ha fatto 3. Guardala qua Marco.
For more breathtaking adventures and stunning views, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Join us as we explore the world's most beautiful destinations. Don't miss out on the journey. Subscribe now and let your spirit soar with us.